Today, we're taking a culinary journey to Japan, where food is not just fuel but an art form. If you've ever felt trapped in the cycle of dieting and obsession over what you eat, this video is for you. We're exploring the Japanese way of healthy eating that can lead you from obsession to freedom. So grab your chopsticks, and let's dive in. The first principle we're exploring is Harahachi-bunme, which translates to 80% your stomach. It's all about eating in moderation. Imagine enjoying your favorite dishes until you're 80% full, feeling satisfied but not overly stuffed. This way, you can savor the foods you love without guilt or restriction. It's not about changing what you eat, but being mindful of how much you eat. Here's a tip. Focus on fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to understand fullness better. You can still enjoy desserts and snacks while maintaining a healthy diet. The second principle is all about variety. A traditional Japanese meal often emphasizes different flavors and textures. Ever heard of Ichiju-sansai? It means one soup, three sides. It's a balanced approach that you can apply to any meal. For example, if you're having Thai fried rice, why not steam some broccoli or edamame for an extra serving of vegetables? The beauty of this principle is that worrying less about your diet actually betters it. Stress and obsession have no place in a healthy diet. By practicing moderation and variety consistently, you can meet your health goals without worry. Embracing the seasons is a cornerstone of Japanese cuisine. Eating seasonal produce ensures that you enjoy the freshest flavors and highest nutritional value. It's a celebration of nature's bounty and a connection to the changing world around us. Portion control is another key aspect of Japanese healthy eating. By serving food in smaller dishes and bento boxes, you can enjoy a wide variety of tastes without overeating. It's a delightful way to experience different flavors in just the right amounts. Finally, we mustn't overlook the art of presentation. In Japan, food is not only about taste but also about visual appeal. The careful arrangement and choice of tableware turn each meal into a feast for the eyes. It's a reminder that eating is a multisensory experience that nourishes the body, mind, and soul. The Japanese way of eating teaches us that we can be healthy and enjoy our favorite foods without obsession. It's about moderation, variety, seasonality, portion control, and beautiful presentation. So next time you sit down to a meal, remember these principles and savor the experience. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the joy of mindful eating together.